Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B1043 indicates an internal error related to the front wiper unit, specifically an EEPROM error. The EEPROM, or Electrically Erasable Programmable Read-Only Memory, is a crucial memory component that stores information for the windshield wiper control unit, which is integral to its operation. When the body control module detects an issue with this memory component, it recognizes the anomaly and subsequently stores the DTC B1043. Understanding this error is key to maintaining proper functionality in the wiper system. Effective troubleshooting will ensure that the vehicle's wiper system operates as intended, which is vital for visibility and safety, especially during adverse weather conditions. The following slides will guide you through the detailed description, causes, symptoms, and troubleshooting steps for this error code. The DTC B1043 specifically points to a malfunction within the front wiper unit associated with an EEPROM error. The front wiper unit, which consists of a motor and control module, is positioned behind the windshield area where it is responsible for the operation of the wipers. The wiper control unit is designed to manage the on and off functions, as well as the speed settings of the wipers. When the body control module receives an EEPROM error signal from this unit, it indicates an internal malfunction that affects data storage and functionalities. The body control module acts as a central hub, interfacing with various components in the vehicle, including the wiper system. Thus, any detected anomalies lead to the generation of this diagnostic trouble code. Correct identification of the components involved is crucial for effective troubleshooting. There are several potential causes for the DTC B1043 being triggered. First, EEPROM corruption is a primary suspect. This could arise from electrical malfunctions or power surges that compromise the memory's integrity. Second, a faulty wiper control unit itself may be defective, leading the body control module to receive erroneous signals. Finally, poor connections, whether they be loose harness connections or degraded wiring related to the windshield wiper system, can also cause the body control module to register an error. By understanding these possible causes, technicians can more effectively focus their diagnostic efforts, ensuring that the root issue is identified and addressed promptly to restore functionality. When the DTC B1043 is present, several symptoms may manifest, indicating that there is a serious issue with the windshield wiper system. One significant symptom is that the wipers may become entirely inoperable, failing to activate when needed. In some cases, inconsistent wiper behavior may occur, where the wipers operate sporadically or don't respond correctly to intermittent settings. Additionally, the DTC warning light on the dashboard may illuminate, alerting the driver that there is a malfunction within the system. Recognizing these symptoms early can aid in timely diagnosis and repair, ensuring the vehicle remains safe and operable, particularly in inclement weather conditions. Regular monitoring of these indicators is important for vehicle maintenance. The first troubleshooting step for the DTC B1043 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode. This initial action is crucial as it powers the vehicle's electrical systems, including the body control module, which needs to be active to properly assess the wiper control unit status. In the on mode, various self-diagnostics can be conducted to determine if the issue persists upon system activation. It sets the stage for verifying the current state of the wiper system and allows for the gathering of real-time data related to the error code. Ensuring the vehicle is correctly set to this mode ensures that technicians can proceed through the diagnostics effectively and with a greater degree of accuracy, thereby facilitating a more efficient troubleshooting process. The next step in troubleshooting DTC B1043 is to inspect the connections and wiring associated with the windshield wiper control unit. Poor or corroded connections can lead to erroneous signals, which might trigger the body control module to register a malfunction. During the inspection, it's important to examine the wiring harness for any signs of wear, damage, or loose plugs, which could disrupt communication between the wiper unit and the body control module. The windshield wiper control unit is responsible for sending commands for wiper operation, so ensuring that there are secure and clean connections is fundamental to resolving issues related to wiper functionality. By methodically checking these components, technicians can identify potential problems that could be rectified to restore proper operation. If all connections and wiring are verified to be intact, yet the DTC B1043 persists, the next step is to replace the windshield wiper control unit. This step is essential because a malfunctioning control unit may be the root cause of the EEPROM error detected by the body control module. The wiper control unit encapsulates critical circuitry and functionality required for wiper operation. Replacement should be conducted with care, ensuring that the new unit is compatible with the Honda Accord model and year. After installation, it is important to clear any DTCs using the Honda Diagnostics System (HDS) to refresh the vehicle's status and allow for any new diagnostic checks to be performed. Testing the new unit is crucial to ensuring that the issue has been resolved and that the windshield wiper system is functioning properly once again. Following the replacement of the windshield wiper control unit, the final repair verification process must be conducted to ensure the issue associated with DTC B1043 has been resolved. The first step in this verification is to use the Honda Diagnostics System (HDS) to clear any stored diagnostic trouble codes to reset the system. Once the codes are cleared, it is vital to test the wiper functionality, checking that all settings perform as intended. This includes sequentially evaluating low and high-speed operations, as well as intermittent functions. Ensuring proper operation is critical, as safety on the road heavily relies on the effectiveness of windshield wipers, especially in adverse weather conditions. This confirmation process solidifies the certainty that the recent repairs have effectively addressed the problem. A comprehensive test will provide peace of mind that the system is working properly. Preventive maintenance is essential in avoiding issues similar to those associated with DTC B1043 in the future. Regular inspections of the windshield wiper components can help detect early signs of wear or potential failure before they evolve into serious problems. It's also critical to maintain the integrity of wiring by regularly checking for fraying, corrosion, or loose connections. Addressing maintenance issues promptly helps ensure that the wiper system functions smoothly, reducing the likelihood of failures. Additionally, drivers should be encouraged to keep their vehicles clean, making sure debris does not obstruct the wiper's movement. Adopting these preventive strategies can enhance the longevity and reliability of the windshield wiper system, making it more efficient in maintaining visibility during adverse conditions. In conclusion, the DTC B1043 signifies an internal issue within the windshield wiper unit due to an EEPROM error. Understanding the roles of the windshield wiper control unit and the body control module is crucial, as they directly impact wiper functionality. The troubleshooting process involves multiple steps, from initial inspection to potential component replacement, each critical for restoring wiper operation. By clearing the DTCs and performing thorough functionality tests, technicians can ensure the integrity of the repairs made. Preventive maintenance practices can further mitigate risks of similar issues, enhancing the overall reliability of the windshield wiper system. Staying proactive with these strategies ensures optimal vehicle performance, particularly during critical weather conditions. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.